Oh yes, welcome to Lake County Euros, where we do nothing but merengue and cha-cha-cha.
What's up, guys? Frankie here, Lake County Euros. This is going to be the beginning of a new project that we're building. So behind me, you guys see Justin and Claudio tearing down the engine. This engine came out of a 2003 Porsche 911. It's not a turbo, but it is pro-charged. So it is an all-wheel drive. It was born as a 4S, but it's been modified. So it's equivalent to what a turbo would be. So it is kind of its own breed. The reason it's here is because this car was pushed a little bit too hard at the dyno. And granted, it did show over 600 horsepower, but right as it was showing that number, it just started knocking and it basically should have blown up. But thankfully, the owner is really smart and he's a huge car buff. So as soon as he heard what he heard, he turned it off. Motor is able to be possibly salvaged because the damage was just done on the upper end. So stay tuned and stick with us as we tear this motor down, show what failed, why it failed, and how we're going to make it better.
Yeah, but those are main bearings.
I know, that's how high I got.
Damn, dude, this thing. Now we're gonna have to take the other side apart. It doesn't spin like it's got a yellow. It shouldn't. Oh shit! It shouldn't do that. No, that shouldn't happen. So you see how it's like have a bigger lip on this side and not this side? There isn't a lip. When this is brand new, there is no lip. This bearing got so hot and it was getting pushed down by so much pressure from the crankshaft that it melted and it created like a oozing lava effect. This is really bad. This is like super overheating. So this is either lack of lubrication or something got in here and started destroying it. But because of this, we need crankshaft, main bearings, rod bearings, rods. Might as well just build the whole thing. Option A, this engine gets fixed. Option B, we order a brand new crate engine. Option C, he buys a used GT2 block.
What engine does the GT2 come with?
This, but turbocharged. So it's already built for boost. So we can take that block that's built for boost and put the supercharger. Let's call the customer.
Go big or go home.
And Craig, get ready for the phone call.